Let go of the door.
Nope.
No, let go of the door.
There you go.
Let go of the door.
Oh, it opened on its own.
Yes, because it is a handicap room.
Oh, it's gonna be bigger then. Oh,
Yes.
lovely.
That's why we picked this room.
Oh, it's so big.
Oh, we can have a party in here.
Oh my gosh. We have a bed up there again. Is it gonna be a couch bed, I assume?
Yes, that's mine.
No, it shouldn't be a bed up there.
I know, but that's my bed. Jason, out of the way. Stop.
Out of the way.
Big room.
Oh my God.
Go ahead.
There's no ocean to see.
Oh, wow.
Watch your step, the floor.
My gosh.
I see a light.
This is definitely where I parked my car.
Alright, this is the benefit to booking on the day the cruise releases. Is that you can book this.
Yeah.
This is 10 times the size of our concierge deck.
Oh, yeah,
10
that's
times.
true. Our concierge deck wasn't even this big. We don't even have to go down to deck 4 to take a nap.
See them drive the ship.
Oh, we can. Right there is, I think, yeah, that's like one of the little wings of the bridge. I like it. I like it. You happy with this room?
Yes.
You're gonna be up here, Peanut.
I know. Because I call top.
Let's take a look at the restroom real quick. Oh, the bathroom's even bigger. All right, we can work with this.